PayPal was slightly up this past week, even as rumors swirl about new fees from JPMorgan that could impact fintech companies everywhere. But will these new fees really hurt PayPal's business? Or is Wall Street overreacting? This is the monthly chart, and you have two extended range red candles. This implies that there was an imbalance between buyers and sellers at this, we're going to call this $88 or $89 monthly sellers level. And when I look at current price, I go down and I go to the right, I do see a wick. I go further down, go to the left, and I see this rally, base rally. And this was monthly buyers. We're going to call that $52. Now let's take it down to the weekly time frame. And right away my eyes gravitate to this drop, this little doji, this little base in candle, and then the leg out. So leg in, base in candle, leg out. And it appears that price has already reacted to the level. However, price is now surging back higher as the momentum is to the upside. And what this tells me is that potentially the buyers are going to penetrate this zone a bit deeper the next time price moves into the region. As they continue to beat up the remaining sellers above 77.50. Now go down and to the left, see this wick, this hammer candle. This signifies that there are buyers in this region. And we're going to call that weekly buyers at $65. All right, let's take it down to the daily chart. And your meat and potatoes within this level here is in the upper portion of the zone. You have this drop, base and candles, drop, pullback, drop. So this daily sell level is nested within this weekly sell level. And on the downside, you have this rally, base, rally. That is no longer fresh, meaning price has already visited the zone. It is no longer a virgin zone. And rightfully so, when price comes back, fills those unfilled orders, buy orders, and moves higher. Now think about this zone. You have the 200-day moving average in yellow. That's going to serve as dynamic resistance, and that happened already for the first time. You got a Pearson, but you never got a close. And so I think price is going to have a hard time getting through this level. However, PayPal is a proxy for Bitcoin, and so as Bitcoin continues to move higher over the rest of the year, I personally foresee PayPal moving higher as well, eventually breaching this level and going for where the big liquidity is going to be found, and that's going to be at this monthly sell level at $88.